Hi guys, new story from Pakistan. So right now we're literally in the middle of nowhere. As in look, we're crossing this bridge. Grabe ang taas, no? Pero isang car lang, one at a time, ang pwedeng dumaan dito sa bridge. Kasi itong bridge na ito is very old na guys. And by the way, we are on our way to Basho Meadow. And guess what? It takes 6 hours from Escardo City. Yes, 6 hours. Pero go lang, adventure daw to, di ba? Guys, look at that. Sobrang ganda, but also kind of scary. I mean, Pakistan is full of surprises. And yes, dito sa northern Pakistan, it's very normal yung mga ganito na daan sa mga bundok na matitirik. So, fear of height, then I don't think so. Pakistan roads is for you guys. But you should give it a try. This road is one of the most dangerous roads in Pakistan. As in, isang maling liko at goodbye na tayo. Pero syempre, tawa-tawa lang. Pero deep inside, Lord, ikaw na bahala. Pero seriously though, ang galing ng mga drivers dito. They're like mountain ninjas. Kami, we're just praying and filming for you guys. Content is life, di ba? Even if our life is a twist. Guys, the views keeps getting better and better and scarier, of course, pero worth it. Look, mountains, rivers, forests, parang postcard, pero may survival challenge edition, di ba? And yes, we made it. Welcome to Basho Meadow. Grabe guys, every stress from the road, every kabog ng dibdib, worth it. Look how beautiful it is. Parang Switzerland na may Pakistani twist. The air here is so fresh. Parang ang dali huminga. Kahit kanina sa road, muntik na akong mawalan ng hininga sa kaba. Kung naghahanap kayo ng place na peaceful, untouched, at parang straight out of a fantasy movie, this is it. Basho Meadow, you are magical. As in super. Alright guys, that's it for today's adventure. From the dangerous roads to this stunning meadow. What a journey. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kung gusto nyo pa ng more Pakistan adventures. See you on the next one. Bye!